Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically, we're going to demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, but that same generation F-150, the video may be helpful. We're going to work right here, guys, on the fuse box that's under the hood. When you open your hood, right above the radiator, guys, you're going to have that fuse box, and when you open it, you will face it that way. You will have the relays right here and fuses right there as well. Now, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So now the fuse that we need to check, guys, it's in that row right here. And if we start on the very right side where the square fuses are, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. The 20 amp fuse, guys, right here, that fuse, that's the one that you need to check for the rear heated seat. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. Those could be quite expensive at a parts store.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.